Hello, Kasturians. Chapter The Colorful North. As we know that there are many big cities in India, and today in this chapter we are going to learn about some north part of India and all the states that lie in the northern part of India. So let's start with the official name of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi, NCT. Delhi is the capital of NCT, and New Delhi is the capital of India. The city was planned by Sir Edwin Lutyens. He was a British architect. Do you know that the India Gate was originally known as the All India War Memorial? It was also designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Delhi shares its border with Uttar Pradesh in the east and with Haryana on the other three sides. Climate of Delhi. Delhi is very hot in summers and very cold in winters. The hot and dry winds called Lu blows in the month of May and June. Also, it rains between the month of July to September. Government. The main offices of Government of India are in New Delhi. The highest law-making body, Parliament, is also in New Delhi. Moreover, the governments of other countries also have their offices in Delhi. Those offices are known as embassies or high commissions. People. In Delhi, we can meet people from different parts of the country who come here to live and work. They speak different languages. That is why Delhi is also known as a mini India. Delhi has various means of public transport. The Delhi Transport Corporation DTC works on thousands of buses that runs every day in the city. Also, lakhs of people travel by metro and autos. There are many monuments to visit in Delhi, which are the famous tourist attraction places like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, and some more interesting places like Rajghat, Jantar Mantar, India Gate, Humayun Tomb, Lotus Temple, Akshardham Temple, and Delhi Hut, and many more.